Hi guys, it's your boy Corky from our double life, or in other words, double check. Sorry we haven't been posting so recently, and thank you for 8 subscribers and 3 likes on the last video. So I'm just going to tell you what's been happening this few days that we haven't been posting. So Mr. Nonchalant has been going to church because his confirmation is coming on Sunday, and then Jamil, aka Pretty Boy, is going to East tournament, and then I decided, man, just to keep the channel going, I'm gonna post you guys with a quick short story. You see, just so the channel can have a video too, and then I'm going to edit it because Pretty Boy do our editing for us. I'm just there doing the talking and stuff. So I'm gonna hit you guys with the story time. What story can I tell you guys now? Okay, I got one. So 2, 3 years ago, I'm not gonna use specific names, but anyway, uh, what name can I use? I'm to make an Kalin. There's this girl Kalin and one of my friends now. So the story starts like this. Kalin, she just moved in. She didn't come out so much. So me and one of my friends were sitting outside normal Wednesday, and I don't know what days to make for the story sake. Wednesday. Normal Wednesday, it's around 6 o'clock side. The weather's coming here. I mean, you know, when the sun is going down and then like the rain, then it's so bright, you see. It's like that. So you see Colin and one of our friends walk down. I'm like to one of my friends because we only two there. Yo, this girl is fine. It's like, damn, who's that, me, bro? We didn't see in a minute. Okay, so here they come to us. So you know me, I step up. I talk to Kali. Now my friend is talking to a friend. So we chop it up, da 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 da. So I'm six pack, I don't have one. She's like, you know. Couple of weeks go by, don't see her, hear her, nothing. She went to school. Then I don't know if it's the following year or the year after that. Nah, but anyways, then she came to my school, most. So now one of my other friends, school friends now, most. It's like I was getting the whole time nervous around her and running away. She was like, what, my mommy, bro? I'm not gonna lie to you. She was, what? I said, everything, your wildest dreams, she had that. Nah? So, of course, I was shy back then also. I didn't know what to say, do nothing. One of my guys went to talk to him and his other friend went to talk to her while they were taking where she was going. They come back, they suck up juicy. She friend zone you now. I'm like, two, all my hope goes away. Now I don't know what they talk about in there, but they came to me like to see. She say you ugly, blah blah blah. She don't want you. She friend zone you. I'm like, okay, cool. Second break comes. Now since she friend zone me, I'm almost now cool. I don't have to be nervous anymore. Now I'm standing. She's standing next to me. We're on the field. It's like, what happened now that you all of a sudden talking to me and stuff, that you're not avoiding me and running away? I say, one of my friends told me something, man. So I don't have to run away. Anyways, long story short, we get together. Everything goes good. The boat is floating. Our family don't like me. Nah. Now our mother don't like me because like, for her I'm a gangster most, which I'm not. So it went the whole time like that up until the time we broke up. Yeah. So I don't know exactly the details of the story, but anyways, then we broke up. She was like, we have to break up because of my mother didn't mean, then she throw my phone against the wall, something like that. Scars on her back. That's Miss Carlin I'm talking about, the girl. Nah, her name isn't Carlin, just for the video sake. Nah, so yeah, I can't remember the story, so I'm just telling you the past again, remember? So we broke up. I was like, okay, cool. Now around this time, my friends was also gonna start a YouTube channel. So then I ran to him like, now I can focus more on the YouTube channel now. Then it was like, okay, good shot. A YouTube channel never came out. Yeah, they would stop making it or something like that. They would stop the process. So now one of my other friends, you went there. Don't know what happened between them two. Now I got jealous much because he's like with a girl. I must smoke. I had feelings for him, real feelings. So you went there. Then I went to go block with my other guys. They took me in. Shout out to them, by the way, because if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have friends. Would have been inside. Don't know what to do. Shout out to them for taking me in. It was fun with them. They didn't think much of it. But around the same time, I had beef with Carlin and her boyfriend, which was my friend most at the time. Then I broke it up because I was jealous and this was gonna get into fight. So I took one for the team or something like that. So every time I saw him, I was like testing him, like, okay, taking my leftovers. Now do you want some of my chips? Because since you take my leftovers, stuff like that. Stuff to break him down, man. A couple of months when they broke up, something like that. Now it's around this time. My friends kept on coming to me and saying this, and this. That she's praying with other dudes behind my friend's back. And I told them I don't need to worry. They have nothing to do with me anymore. But she's going with other dudes out. When they broke up, was now Colin and one of my friends. She went out with this older dude. It was 1920. And they were talking, praying, some stuff like that. Then it came to the attention that she's playing around with other dudes also. So yeah, a few weeks went by, months. Now we came near to his birthday. My friends, both of them was now ex-friend at the time was. Then we became friends again. We came around his birthday. My parents left most now for my grandparents left for holiday. So we kept the party at my house. I'd invite him since his birthday was most near the time my family left for vacation. So me and my other friend, it was me, him, and another friend, and then another friend kept the party at my house. Fun. This year when this year we're gonna stream it also when we go into it, something like that. So yeah, anyways, this isn't the whole story, but I'm gonna post the other story tomorrow or when I get time. So I'm just telling you this partner up until part 2 comes over. So for our next video, I really don't know what's gonna be our next video, but yeah, this is our double life. In other words, double check out.